be so mad if I walked into that. I'm more scared than mad. Oh shit. Hey, my money's still here from last time. Put my quarter there again.
Yes.
That's creepy.
There's not more graffiti on the tree.
Whoa, I didn't even realize that. I was just looking at this grave and just totally overlooked
It's a
that.
real starfish too.
Huh. I would laugh if this person was named Patrick. And then I'd probably go to hell. Save me, bro.
Is there anybody here? Is there anybody here? Anybody at all?
Ow.
My nose just started burning and I don't have allergies.
Do you remember me?
I'm scared to get too close.
You're lying.
Oh man, I want to go down there so bad.
You never get out.
I know.
It'd be like a mudslide.
It's like somebody tried. I was watching one YouTube video and this girl just took off crying and they left and that she wouldn't tell anybody what she saw. But then like a week later they finally got in contact with her and she said that she saw a little boy coming out of the wood line and was staring at him.
Was it night?
Yeah.
I don't know if I have the guts to do that yet.
Yeah. What is that?
After this.
Yeah. What is that?
After this.
Oh man, I'd be so mad if I walked into that. I'm more scared than mad. Oh shit.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that's my,
No, not that. It was like way off in the distance.
what was it?
Like a noise, but I don't know if it was moving or not.
Gonna use the Spiritus. Hi. 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 Hi, what's your name? Is there a little boy that stays here?
Wes.
Wes? Oh, I heard it too. My name is Michael, and this is Tavy. Hi. What's the name of this cemetery?
So they're trying to hear the, like,
Did it just say Kasey?
I heard it say Kasey.
Yeah.
Quiet voice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember something. The last time I was here, somebody said they were gonna steal my hat. That was pretty funny. James Kasey. Jim. Not creepy at all. Nope. Someone's actual wig. Alright, so we found a wig. We're worried that there might be a victim. So we come down here and we find the murder weapon. Twisted Tea.